Howdy world. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Modelones Builder Gel. This is a 9-in-1, so it has multiple functions. You can use it as a builder gel, as a blooming gel, as a nail glue, as a nail base, as, to apply stickers. There's so many functions for this, so it is a packed one. It is definitely a must-have. But I'm going to be applying this to my natural nails, which are already clean, prepped, and ready to be polished. And this is because I've been doing a lot of nail art on my natural nails, and they are starting to just lose their strength a bit, and it was worrying me. So I was just like, okay, I am going to figure out a way to still maintain my nails healthy and natural. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to apply something on my natural nails because I can't continue to buff and shape my nails and just cause more damage and not expect them to just become fragile and flimsy. So because of that, I'm applying this builder gel in multiple layers. And the beautiful thing about this builder gel is that it's not super thick and unmanageable. Like sometimes there's builder gels that are just super thick and you have to learn how to really work with them. This one has the consistency of a gel polish. So if you know how to polish your nails, it's going to be very easy. One tip I can give you when applying this builder gel is to make sure that you don't get too close to the cuticle, because if your hands are in water a lot, which it shouldn't touch the cuticle, but what I've noticed is if it's too close to the cuticle, it will lift. So make sure to go a little bit under, and that way it is just on the nail plate completely and it will last longer. By applying this Modelones Builder Gel 9-in-1, I am actually reinforcing my natural nails. I'm giving them that extra strength to be able to withstand bumps and little clings here and there, and I still get to keep my natural nails. We're not saying this is bulletproof, but it does help with the longevity and the protection of your natural nails, especially if you want them long. And by applying a few layers of the builder gel onto your natural nails, because of the consistency and it's very easy to control and manage and apply, then you can do how many layers you want depending on the thickness that you want on your nails. Also, make sure that once you paint all of your nails with the builder gel, that you are flipping your hand over and you are allowing it to level out, meaning the gel polish will start to become the perfect shape and also give you an apex so that your nails look nice and natural. And that apex is also going to apply more strength to the nail, meaning if you have a flat nail, then this apex is pretty much the arch of the nail, and it'll create it by you flipping your hand over after each coat. That will give you that arch, and that means that it's giving your nails strength. So it is a must to flip your nails over so that you can create that. Now that I have done my 3 coats of builder gel on my natural nails, cured each one 60 seconds under a UV LED light, I go in with some cuticle oil to just show love to the cuticle and give them that nourishment that they need. Rub that in very nicely. I know a lot of girls that just like to put a polyp cuticle on there. I'm not that kind of girl. I like to really I don't want it to just sit there. I want it to penetrate into the skin and hydrate the cuticle very well, because this is how you prevent hangnails, skin peeling off, and just having a nice hydrated and healthy looking surface on your natural nails. I personally have had this builder gel on my natural nails for about 2 weeks now. I have moved from a different state. I was packing, I was cleaning, I was doing all this crazy stuff, doing my hair, and my nails are still intact. They have not chipped or broken. So if you're anything like me, you're going to definitely enjoy this product. I mean, it's affordable. I paid $10 for it. It has a lot of product in it, and it's definitely good quality. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao for now.